Hey guys, Richard with Dent Masters here. Want to give you a quick little access tip on this BMW M3. This is a 2004. These things are pretty braced up. It's a two-door coupe. The whole door has kind of got a double layer of metal on it, but it's webbed, so there's little pockets where you can slide a tool in to get to the back side of the metal. Up here is completely sealed, but however, on this door, if you sneak in through this, you pull this boot out, sneak a hook tool in through here, there's an opening in that there's like a pocket you can slide your tool in. So you see, I don't know if you can see that metal moving, but I'm right on the dent. Just got a standard hook tool there, so you just kind of wedge open the window, shine a light down in there, and there's just that little pocket. So. All right, I'm in. So just want to give you that quick tip. These doors are kind of tough, but if you know how they're constructed, you know how to attack the dent. So thanks for watching. So you can kind of see the access there.